Nanga def? Hello. How are you? How are you? Mangi fi rek. I am fine. I am fine. Jërëjëf bu baax. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Baal ma jàppale ma. Please help me. Please help me. Maa ngi tuddu Fatou. My name is Fatou. My name is Fatou. Maa ngi jóge Senegal. I am from Senegal. I am from Senegal. Maa ngi dégg Wolof. I speak Wolof. I speak Wolof. Naka nga tuddu? What is your name? What is your name? Fu ngeen jëm? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ndax dangay wax angale? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Lekk, eat, eat. Naan, drink, drink. Dem, go, go. Ñëw, come, come. Toog, sit, sit. Taxaw, stand, stand. Nelaw, sleep, sleep. Yeewu, wake, wake. Big, happy, happy. Tiis, sad, sad. Son, tired, tired. Mer, upset, upset. Ragal, afraid, afraid. Góor, man, man. Jigéen, woman, woman. Xale, child, child. Xarit, friend, friend. Yaay, mother, mother. Baay, father, father. Jàngalekat, teacher, teacher. Élève, student, student. Nanga def? How are you? How are you? Ba beneen yoon. Goodbye, goodbye. Ngir Yàlla. Please, please. Jërëjëf. Thank you, thank you. Baal ma. Sorry, sorry. Wow. Yes, yes. Did it. No, no.